Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the referral code on SHEIN. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and pick your product. And let's say for example, I want to buy something like this cap, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and choose this cap and add it to my cart. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my the wheel on the top, right? The wheel icon, right? Basically right here you're gonna be able to see, this is my product and everything. Go ahead and click the checkout at the bottom right corner, right? And you have multiple options to add to pay for that item, right? Whether it was Apple Pay, card or PayPal, or you can have multiple options like right here, apply coupon, right? And you're gonna use the referral code that you received from someone else and apply it right here, and you're gonna get a discount for that item. So let's run on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.